It is very easy to add your shadow to your images. Not like the old days that we have like a hack. If you watch my previous videos about it, it's kind of messy. But right now, you're very lucky because we have plenty of easy ways to do it. You just remove your background and then go to edit. This one, edit, and then scroll down and you can see under the effects, click shadows. So there are a lot of types of shadows that you can use to your design. For example, let me just organize this one. For example, I want to use this glow shadow, and you can actually can adjust what's the size of the shadow, what's the blurring amount of the shadows, or if you don't want it to be like a glow type, you can use the drop shadow. So for me, just just use the shadow type that you want according to your designs. But of course, don't make it too obvious. So you can just play along with those effects, just as easy as that. You now have shadows to your images using Canva. Hope you like this video, and if you have any more suggestions that you want me to create a tutorial, just drop it in the comment sections below. And don't forget to subscribe.